Hello friends, we're going to try to do a short polynomial long division video. Polynomial long division. So, it's just like long division with numbers, but totally different. I'm going to randomly make something up, so feel free to not assume anything is going to come out nicely. Key thing would be if I skipped an x term, like if I didn't have an x and I just wrote -5 or something like that, put a 0x in here just as a placeholder. I'm not going to do that on this video simply because I don't want to. I could. But if there's not a term there, put a 0 there so you don't mess up where things are. And suppose I want to divide by x minus 2. I'll keep the numbers relatively small so my brain doesn't explode. So the first question you ask yourself is, how do I make x become 3x cubed? So you multiply by 3x squared to make that happen. I'll show you. 3x squared times those two, you're distributing. Pew, pew! Let me get rid of those so those don't get in my way. That's going to be 3x cubed and then minus 6x squared. Just as in regular long division, you subtract down. So 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. Negative 7x squared minus negative 6x squared is negative x squared plus 2x. If you want to put that as 1x squared, you are welcome to. Now you ask yourself, how do I get x to become negative x squared? So that's going to be multiplied by negative x. Again, you distribute. Pew, pew! Let me get rid of those. And that's going to be negative x squared plus 2x. Oh, look at that. I accidentally did something that's kind of interesting. All right, so then I subtract down, and that gets a 0 there. The 5 comes down. I cannot make the x become a 5 by multiplying by a polynomial, so I am done. I have my remainder of negative 5 over x minus 2. That's not always going to happen. You could have come up with some number here, and then you could have continued the pattern. But here I did not wind up with any constant term. I hope that's helpful. Keys are, ask yourself the question, how do I get the beginning part to become your leading pieces? And the second key part that I always see mistakes on is make sure subtract down. Don't mess that part up.